6 tips to boost fertility and sperm count or quality. Lead a healthy lifestyle. Unhealthy lifestyle practices impair your overall health, including fertility. Lose excess weight. Carrying extra weight is associated with infertility. If your doctor suspects that weight may be linked to your infertility, discuss weight loss as one of your health goals. Limit your alcohol intake. Avoid heavy alcohol consumption, as it may reduce testosterone levels and impair semen quality. Get adequate sleep. Getting adequate sleep is vital to maintaining your health. Restricted or excessive sleep has also been linked to poor semen quality. Snack on walnuts. Eating a lot of antioxidant-rich foods, such as walnuts, seems to benefit fertility. Avoid eating too much soy. Soy is rich in isoflavones, which are associated with lower semen quality. Boost your sperm count with Amrut Kesar.